down 10 seconds. Yep.
So are you timing it?
Yes, sir, I am.
So if you get 20 seconds, would be great.
All right. Now you expect me to do math? Oh boy.
I just figured once you got started, you could, you
One
get that
Mississippi,
momentum
two
going. You know?
Mississippi, three
Okay. The cooking time is 30 seconds right now. Oops, I missed it.
Kind of an anticlimax, isn't it?
That's cool.
I jumped.
I missed it. I didn't get to see it. I was watching the thing. Can we do it again?
Yeah, I missed that. Can I do over?
Anybody time that? Took what, about half second?
I didn't even look at that. I should have.
Well, that's why you have slow motion, you know?
I didn't take really.
Boy, I thought it was going to be more of a fall.
It's not that big, you know? It's like one of those big, yeah, right?
Not just dropping into it.